Hey everybody, today we're going to be drawing a parakeet, so it's going to be heaps of fun. Hope you'll follow along with me until the end because it's going to look really good as well. So let's go and get started. So today I'll be using a marker to draw the outline first, and then I'll use some textures later to colour in. So let's start by drawing the top of the head. So we're going to grab our marker, come right up to near the top of the page, just to the left, and we'll do a little dot. And then we'll come a bit higher and we'll do another dot. And then we're just going to connect them with a big curve like this. Whoops, my curve goes just past the dot. That's all right. And then we're going to continue that line back and bring the curve down like this. And we're just going to keep that curve going just past this start of the head here. And then we can come off this curve and we're just going to do another little one, but this one comes out a bit further. It's like a bump off this one. And we're just going to bring this out and down. It slowly curves back in like this. And now when we get down around here, we're just going to come up again, maybe around here. And we're just going to do a little curve off the body for the wing. And then that sort of flattens out, curves a bit. And then we're going to bring it back out here off the wing, off the body. And then we'll just do a little curve at the end like this. And then we can come all the way back up to around the head here. Just draw a little dot. And we're just going to draw a big line down like this. It comes out a lot. And then when we get around here, we're going to do a big curve back into the wing there, like that. So now we can finish drawing the tail. So we're going to imagine that this line here comes underneath the bird. We'll just draw a little line here. And then we're going to do a big straight line coming off to the right a lot more sharp. Then we can curve this tail part around a lot, big curve around, and we'll do another straight line, slightly curved back in line with where it started. We'll go a bit further. And then after that, we're going to come all the way back up to the top of the head, and we're just going to draw sort of it's like a big curve for the beak. Like this, it comes out and down. And then off the bottom, we'll bring that back in a bit. And we'll just do a straight line like this, coming back up to the top of the beak. And then we can do another big curve like this. And we'll just connect it with another curve at the top. And then we'll do one more curve to connect them all together like that. Then we can come just off the base of the beak here. We'll do another big curve. There's so many curves in this drawing, aren't there? Like that. Just we imagine that the head comes down past the beak and then curves in. And then we can do another massive curve all the way down and we'll connect it to the tail. So bring this in. Big curve. Fat bird. And then we'll connect it back into the tail with another curve. All right, now we can draw the branch that he's sitting on. So, or she. Doesn't have to be hair, I guess, does it? So we're going to come right up here and we'll just do a couple curvy, jagged sort of lines like this. Make it go under the body, like connect it to the side of the body here. And then we can come out the bottom with some more lines like that. Then we're going to come just up off the side of this to this side. Do a little dot, and then we can just do some little curves, bringing this line down as well, like this, there, back to the base. So now we can draw the feet. So we're going to come off this foot here, and we're just going to do a long line forwards, and we'll do another one. So two parallel lines going forwards towards this stick, and then we're just going to come off that with some toe sort of claw things. So these are going to come around the stick and then all the way to the other side. And then we'll do a little point and bring it back. And then we'll do one more like this. So you've sort of got this A shape here. But we're not going to connect it back together yet. We're then going to do another curve down, sort of like it curves off the back of the stick as well, which does. And then we're just going to come forward all the way up to here, and we'll do two more. So one line, two, make sure it's pointier at this side, and we'll do one more of those. there for the other feet, there. All right, now we're going to draw the eye. So we're going to come up to the front center of the head sort of area around here, just past the beak, and we'll just do a fairly small circle, nice round circle like this. And then in the top right corner, we'll just do a little half circle, and we'll color the rest in all black. There. All right, now we can add some details up around the head. So we're just going to do a couple little lines like this, just coming off the eye, sort of. They curve around, just a couple of them, coming maybe back off the side of the head here. Here, let's bring some of these a bit longer. And you can just do little shapes like that. Then we'll come below that and we'll do some more. And we can, if you just quickly curve it off at the finish, you get some nice pointy curves at the end. So then we'll maybe do one more of them. And then we can just continue these curves coming down the back of the head like this. All the way down until we get to the bottom of the wing here. All right, now that we're on the wing, we're going to actually come back here and we're going to draw the back of the other wing. So this comes just off the back, just on top of this one. We'll do a straight diagonal line down in line with this wing here, and we'll curve it, and we'll just do another line back into the body. That's like the wings coming back off the other side of the body and coming off the back. So now we can draw the there's so many details along the wing here. We'll just come actually down to the bottom of the wing here, and we might just do straight line, and then at the end of that line, we're going to do a big curve off the side of the wing, and then we're going to come just below that, and we'll do another straight line, and it's connected up the top. And we might do a couple more of these. We're basically just going to be filling in this whole wing with little shapes and stuff. So then when we color in, we can do a different color outside this white bit here. And yeah, it's going to look really cool. So then we're going to come just off the side of the wing, and we'll just do a bunch of little shapes like this along the side, just little ovals. And then here, let's do a longer sort of shape like this. We're just going to fill this whole area with little white shapes. All right, so it's now time to color. I'm going to speed this part up, but just pause it whenever you need to. Let's go. So we've completely finished colouring in our bird, and I think it looks really, really good. Basically, I just coloured everything here black, apart from these white dots here. And then for the log, I just did brown, but then I did it a bit darker down the bottom by just going over it a couple more times with the brown marker, just to get a bit of shading on the bottom there, which I think was really cool. I also added these little bumps up here, just a bit more detail for the head. Well, I hope you guys had a lot of fun drawing your parakeet today with me. I know I did. I'm sure your drawings look great in the end, and I'll see you in the next video.